Alright, so in the previous video, we precisely discussed what is terminal velocity, and let me actually give a heading here. So, what is terminal velocity? We'll be actually talking about that in this video in particular. So, what is terminal velocity? So terminal velocity is the name of a concept whenever something falls down under the influence of gravity, basically free fall. As I explained in the previous video, that air resistance is directly proportional to the velocity of something. Whenever there is a very low velocity, there is very little air resistance acting on it. And as soon as the velocity of something starts to increase, the air resistance will also start to increase, right? So whenever we throw a ball like down from a very tall tower, so at first it will have a very little speed, but as soon as it starts to gain speed, there will be more and more air resistance that will start to act on it, right? And before the air resistance was actually trying to influence the motion, ball had a weight with which it was falling down. And now, since the air resistance has started to influence it, so it will actually oppose the motion. So it will provide a force that will be in upward direction, which will which I can label with Fr, the resistive force, right? Fr is going to be equal to the weight, so there is going to be no net force. So net force on that would be equal to 0. And when there is no net force, from the Newton's second law, we know that there won't be any acceleration. And when there is zero acceleration, there won't be any change in velocity of that thing. So the velocity will actually cease to increase and become constant. And it will actually be falling at a constant velocity because the air resistance is providing the resistive force, right? And there is no net force. As soon as it starts to happen, we call that constant velocity scenario to be terminal velocity, right? So this is the exact concept that you need to understand, that terminal velocity is always achieved in the presence of air resistance when only the air resistance is starts to balance the overall weight of that thing, right? So this is the concept of terminal velocity, which I assume that you now understand.